All right, everyone, ready to dive in. Today we're tackling artificial intelligence.
A big one.
It really is. But don't worry, we're not aiming to make you AI experts overnight. Our deep dive today is all about exploring, having some fun with it, right? And we've got a great guide thanks to this source a listener sent. Where is AI used? A treasure hunt for smart tech.
Catchy title. Gets you thinking.
Right. So instead of getting bogged down in the technical stuff, we're going on a treasure hunt for AI in our everyday lives. I love that approach. What do you think about using that as a way to understand AI, by the way?
You know, it's really clever when you think about it. Like framing it as a treasure hunt takes something potentially intimidating, this whole AI thing, and makes it playful, exciting even. And that's how our brains love to learn, right?
For sure. Way more fun than a lecture, that's for sure. And the source gives some seriously cool examples right off the bat, like video games. Honestly, I never really thought about it, but AI is working hard behind the scenes of those games we play.
Oh yeah, it's everywhere in gaming. It's what lets a game react to you specifically. Like you're breezing through a level, the game might get more challenging, you're stuck on a puzzle. The AI can subtly nudge you in the right direction. It's like having a game master adjusting the difficulty just for you.
Wow, that's wild. And I bet a lot of people listening right now have AI in their living room in the form of those smart speakers. I mean, I use mine constantly.
Absolutely. And each time you do, you're interacting with some pretty sophisticated AI. Those voice recognition algorithms that let the speaker understand what you're asking for, whether it's the weather forecast or your favorite playlist, that's AI in action.
Seamless, right? Like it's just magic. But this source, it gets even cooler. AI isn't just about the obvious tech stuff. It's even showing up in places like animation.
Right. So think about your favorite animated movie for a second. Those lifelike movements, the way a character's face shows emotion, AI is now being used to make all of that even smoother and more realistic.
That just blows my mind how much AI is woven into things I enjoy but never really considered before. And this is where I think the source really makes its point, AI isn't just robots and spaceships. It's about these algorithms working behind the scenes.
Yes, it's like that classic line, pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Except with AI, the man behind the curtain is doing some really fascinating stuff. Think about it. Algorithms are analyzing massive amounts of data, spotting patterns we might miss, and then using that knowledge, like recommending a song you might like based on your listening history, or even personalizing those language learning apps so you're always challenged at the right level.
Exactly. So, listeners, here's the challenge for you. And I think it really fits with this treasure hunt theme. As you go about your day today, pay attention. Where do you see AI? What might be powered by it? It could be something we've talked about or something totally unexpected. Because as we've seen, AI isn't some distant concept. It's already all around us.
Absolutely, like embedded in the fabric of our everyday lives, quietly working away in the background. And that brings us to something I find really exciting. What if you could ask AI to help you with something? What would that be?
Ooh, that's a good one. I love that. What task would you hand off to AI if you could? Because who knows, maybe that wish, that idea you have, is the start of the next big AI breakthrough. Thanks for joining us for today's deep dive. Until next time.